Hello, welcome back to class. And in this module, we'll be discussing carpentry tools and equipment. Carpentry tools and equipment. Tools are the foundation of any skilled trade, and carpentry is not no exception. The proficiency of a carpenter is not only determined by knowledge and experience, but also by the effective use of appropriate tools. Carpentry tools and equipment enables the carpenter to be able to perform tasks such as measuring, cutting, shaping, assembling, and also finishing wood um, and other materials with accurate accuracy and efficiency. A deep understanding of carpentry tools is essential for safety, productivity, and also um, the quality of the final product. And in Nigeria, carpentry tools are widely available for local markets to specialized hardware stores. Understanding this, the correct application, handling, and maintenance of these tools is critical for success in carpentry profession. Let's quickly look at the classification of carpentry tools, the classification of carpentry tools. When we talk about carpentry tools, they can be grouped into three main categories. We have the hand tools, we have the power tools, we have the specialized tools. And for hand tools, these are manually operated tools that do not require electricity or fuel, and they are essential for precise cutting, shaping, measuring, and also assembling. Hand tools are the most basic tools a carpenter will use, and knowledge of their proper use is critical to um, performing fine and detailed work. And this actually includes hammer, handsaw, chisel, screwdriver, and the clamp, and the likes. They are the things that the hand tools that a carpenter use. We also have the power tools. We have the power tools and example. I mean, electric. These are electrically or battery operated devices that enhances efficiency, reduce manual labor, and also increase precision. And they are particularly useful for tasks that involve repetitive cutting, drilling, sanding, and also shaping. And we have the likes of circular saw, we have the jigsaw, we have drill, we have the planner, and the likes. We have it many, and then last is the specialized equipment, and these are larger machines and tools in the professional workshop or construction site, and these tools often require training to operate effectively. Classification, just like we've talked about now, the hand tools, the hammer, which is used to drive nail, the saw is used to cut wood, including handsaw, tenor saw, and coping saw. The chisel is used to carve out or cut wood, and the plane is used to smooth and level wood surfaces. The screwdriver is used to drive screws into wood, and we also have the square and measuring tools, which ensures precision in cutting and assembling. And we also have marking tools, and these outlines cut and measurements accurately. We have for the power tools, we have electric drills, and this actually functions to drill hole and drive screw. And the circular saw makes straight cuts quickly in large timber um, board. And for jigsaw, it actually cuts curves and also complete shapes in um, complex shapes in wood. We have the planner, um, which is electric. It is electric, yeah, and it smooths and level wood surfaces quickly and uniformly. There is also the sander, and this is actually one that provides consistent sanding for finishing surface. We have the router machine, which creates a hollow out or shape wood surfaces, and it's often in decorative work. We have the nail gun, which drive nail quickly into wood, saving time. The power tools requires careful handling and adherence to safety guidelines. While they improve productivity, misuse can lead to accidents or damage to materials. For the specialized equipment, we talk about the table saw, which cuts large panels and um, timber sheets with precision. We have the bandsaw, which performs intricate cutting and shaping of curves. We have the drill press machine that provides precise vertical drilling, useful in joinery. We have the wood lathes, which um, shapes wood into symmetrical objects like table, leg, and also spindles. We have the jointer and thickness, which ensures boards are flat, even, and whole and of uniform thickness. The combination of these three tools and equipment we've talked about enables carpenters to be able to execute a wide range of tasks, from basic furniture assembling to complex structural pro- pro- projects. Now, looking at measuring and layout tools used in carpentry, measuring and layout tools used in carpentry. Um, Accurate measurement and layout are fundamental to successful carpentry, and tools that ensure precision prevent error and material wastage. Essential measuring and layout tools include the measuring tape, um, you have the ruler and yardstick, you have the square, which tri square. We have the square and combination square also, and framing square also, and this helps to ensure right angle and proper alignment. You have the marking gauge, and it marks lines parallel to edges, assisting in accurate cutting and joinery. You have level, more of a plumb, and it ensure surface are horizontal, level or vertical plumb. We also have the caliper and divider, and it's used for precise measurement of thickness and spacing. Now, moving to cutting tools used in carpentry. Cutting is one of the most common operation in carpentry. The choice of cutting tools depend on the type of cut, wood hardness, and also required precision. And key cutting tools include the handsaw, the coping saw. The handsaw is a traditional tool for straight and curved cuts, and for the coping saw, it's actually designed for intricate and curved cuts, and it's often used in furniture detailing. And for tenor saw, it's actually used for precise joinery cut, and for chisel, it's used for carving and removing small amount of material from joinery. And we have the power saw also, which is circular saw, jig saw, and band saw, which allows for faster cut in larger projects. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each cutting tools ensure that the carpenter selects the right tool for the job. Looking at the joining and fastening tool, these include they are critical in assembling carpentry projects, and they ensure that the components are securely connected. And example of this include hammer and mallet. We have the screwdriver and drill driver. We have the nail gun. We have the clamps, which hold wood piece in place during glue drying or assembly. We have the joinery tools, including the dowel jig, the biscuit journal, and dovetail template. And a strong understanding of joining techniques and fasteners ensure durability and quality of carpentry projects. For the shaping, finishing, and sanding tool, the finishing stage of carpentry transforms raw material into polished, functional, and also aesthetically pleasing product. And key finishing tools includes the plane, which smooths and levels wood surface. We have the file and wraps, which shapes edges and also remove minor imperfection. We have the sander, which is electric or manual tool for smoothing surfaces. We have the router, which create decorative edges, grooves, and also patterns. We have the scraper, which remove glue, old finishes, or minor surface defects. Finishing tools improve both the functionality and visual appeal of carpentry work. Proper use ensure professional results. So we've talked about each of these tools. So there is no need to go about it again. Let's look at tool handling and safety practices. Carpentry tools can be dangerous if misused, and safety is therefore paramount. Key safety practices include one, wearing personal protective equipment such as gloves, the goggle, and also each ear protection. Inspect tools before use helps to ensure they are in good condition. Also, using the right tools for the task to avoid accident is very important. You need to keep work area clean and also free from obstruction. You need to follow operating instructions for power tool. And lastly, is you need to disconnect power tools when not in use or during maintenance. Safe tools usage, prevent injuries, and also ensure smooth progress in carpentry projects. Let's look at maintenance of carpentry tools. Regular maintenance extends the lifespan of tools and also ensure reliable performance. Common material practice include one, cleaning tools after use to remove dust and debris. There is also you need to also sharpen cutting tools such as chisels, saw, and also planes. Also, you need to oil moving parts to prevent rust and ensure smooth operation. Inspecting electrical tool for damaged cord or part is important, and proper storage in tool boxes, racks, and also cabinets is also very important. A disciplined approach to tool maintenance improve productivity and also safety. In conclusion, tools and equipment form the backbone of carpentry. Understanding the various type of tools, their function, and also proper handling technique is critical to every carpenter. Hand tools, power tool, and also specialized machinery each play distinct role in ensuring that carpentry work is efficient, precise, and safe. Measuring, cutting, shaping, joining, and also finishing are all facilitated by the proper use of carpentry tools. A skilled carpenter must not only possess technical knowledge but also exercise discipline, safety, awareness, and care for tools and equipment. This model provides the essential framework for understanding the tool that enables carpentry work and serves as a critical stepping stone for all subsequent modules in this course. Thank you.